Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW guys. So if you have a BMW such as BMW 3 Series, 5 Series, let's say 6, 7, X3, X5, Z3, Z4 guys, and you have problems with your secondary air pump, you have code, let's say, you might have any of those three different codes guys, P0410, P0411, P0412 guys. It could be related to a bad secondary air pump. Now, it could be guys a bad pump, it could be a bad relay, bad fuse, quite a few things. And in today's video guys, we'll show you how to test the pump even without removing it. If you remove the pump, you can test it, but you want to test the whole system, the relay, the fuse and the pump, and make sure that that way you'll find if there is something wrong. If the pump does not turn on, then you can remove it and manually test it. We have a video, but we'll show you how to test and diagnose the whole system. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. So let's start on it now. So this is guys the computer that we'll be using. You can find it listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let me show you guys what we'll be doing now. I will go ahead, open the hood of this vehicle, okay, of this BMW. We're going to open the hood and I'll show you where the secondary air pump is located. In most cases, okay, you will be able to recognize it on a BMW. This is guys your secondary air pump injection pump right here. So now we're going to see if we can manually activate that thing. Usually the pump activates only when the engine is cold. Why is that? Because it puts air in the exhaust, warms up the catalytic converters and it reduces emissions. Now that computer comes with a programming device. This programming device is plugged into the OBD connector of this BMW. Now I'll go inside, okay, and we will turn guys. Okay, right now I'm going to go ahead, put the key, and let me show you quick now. Okay, that computer guys, this is like an almost dealer level equipment. You can read the lead codes from every module, every computer in your car. You can program keys, quite a few things guys. So let me show you how many makes it supports. Okay, definitely a good investment if you're working on cars guys. It's something I'll definitely consider. You can even work on so many cars, Ferraris, Lamborghinis even. Amazing thing. So I'll click BMW. Now I'm going to go ahead, turn the ignition on. Okay, ignition on, car not running, and then we'll click automatic selection right here. We're going to enter our VIN number and it's going to decode it. After that we click yes, and it's going to take just a couple of seconds, usually like maybe 5 to 10 seconds to load and all that stuff. If you want to see a specific video guys, drop a comment below. We'll try our best to make a video for your specific problem. So we don't have the 20 pin connector, we have the 16 pin. Excuse me. Now we'll go to diagnostics, we'll click control unit, okay, and then we select drive. Here this is your engine computer. We'll select this one. It's going to take a few seconds to load, and we need to click guys now. Okay, let me show you now. Active test right here, component activation, and we're going to go back guys. Okay, and right here now, okay, you can see we have quite a few things. One of them is relay secondary air pump. Okay, this box right here, we'll select this one and we can manually activate or deactivate the pump. Now this computer is pretty cool. It's wireless. Okay, the programming device is there, but it's wireless, so I can get out now. Okay, leave the vehicle, we can come to the engine here, don't start the car. Okay, I'm going to click activate and you will hear the pump running. Listen now. So you can definitely guys hear the pump turning on and off. I'll activate again and then deactivate it and listen. So you can definitely check that. Now what I usually do sometimes to make sure that it gets enough airflow, I disconnect one of the hoses. Okay, this is the hose that sends, okay, actually it's going to send the air to the intake manifold. excuse me, exhaust manifold, and I'm going to activate the pump and feel if there is air coming. Okay, this pump is definitely, guys, blowing quite a bit of airflow, so definitely not a problem here. So that's how you guys do it on a BMW. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.